guys.
Hello.
So we are here at Ikoi. It's a Japanese place, and we wanted to give flavors for our international.
Different cuisine
Yeah,
this time.
yeah,
So we thought we'll try something different, and today we are here to try Japanese.
authentic Japanese,
Authentic
huh?
Japanese, yes.
Yeah. So what do we have here? Netra's gonna
Here,
start.
this is butter, shoyu, mushroom sando, and this is rose lychee matcha cloud,
And then we have here ebi tempura uramaki sushi. Then we have a fruit, fresh fruit pastry. And then we have here anko mochi. So this is it's a red bean paste mochi. So we are going to give you an authentic review.
reviews.
Okay, for Indian palate, how it's going to be. So first we are going to try with the drink.
Okay.
Yeah. So and this is Netra's first time at matcha.
Matcha, yes.
So let's see how it goes.
That's so much hype about matcha.
Yeah.
But
I've heard it's mixed reviews from people. Some people really like it, some people really hate it. So let's see how it is for us. Okay, we're gonna mix it.
now in this, I don't see any matcha flavor. It's rose dominating.
Okay.
Rose and lychee are dominating. Not much matcha flavor. We'll ask for one straw.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Next,
Pause,
one more straw. You will
madam.
take it. One more straw. Also,
Okay.
Let me try it now. Oh, the sugar is really high in this. Or we have to mix it properly, I'm sure. I think, but it's more sugary. And yeah, like she said, matcha taste. I'm not getting much of it. I've tasted matcha, that's why. And I think they've made it for Indian palate, the kind of drink, you know. But it's nice. Next, what are we trying?
You try.
Shall we
Try
try this? Okay. So we are supposed to traditionally have it with soya sauce and some freshly grated ginger and wasabi. So let's try it. And usually for Indian palate, soya sauce is the savior because wasabi we don't eat, and I don't know how to use a chopstick. Can I get a fork, please?
Sure.
I'm going the unconventional way and trying with a fork. Okay.
What's this?
I'm gonna dip. Yeah. So I dip it with this. Then
Nice.
so this is a
Lot of flavors.
kind of flavors that you're getting. It's typical Japanese sushi flavors. Yes, different kind of see the seaweed, then cucumbers. I think there's some soya sauce
sesame?
mixed in that also as well. Mayo is there, and when you have it a combination with everything, it's really nice.
Trying sando.
So what all do you have with sando here?
Sando, we have.
I think
some
these are
chips.
nori chips, seaweed chips.
ಹೌದಾ?
And this is pickled vegetables.
Oh, I guess. Taste ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah,
ಹೌದಾ? Seaweed smell ಇದೆ.
it's veg, yeah. Seaweed is good.
Consider.
Let's see.
Very bland.
Can you try another bite? Let's see. Because I think you got the edge.
Very bland flavor.
Okay.
No much spice.
Uh-huh.
It's just a piece of bread, mushrooms, and lettuce. That's all. And little of the salt and pepper is what I can taste. You taste it.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe the person who always eat Indian palates, no? Won't like it. Yes.
It's nice. Mostly it's giving more of a salty vibe and bland, yeah. pretty basic. But actually, you know what? This sando is very famous over here when you eat it in non-veg. So that gives a different flavor. And veg, of course, there are limited options and flavors there.
Flavors, yes.
So for a veg, it's okay. So here we have this anchor mochi. This is a red bean paste mochi, and it's traditional mochi flavor. So someone who is not very, her palate is not very, wide right now with lot of space. I want her to try this, and this is a genuine review which you will get.
Yes.
You'll not get
yes.
this anywhere else.
I'm not fan of the shape though. Yes.
Okay. How can you show them how it looks inside? So it's filled with this red bean paste.
What is it actually? They
So-
say it's a dessert. Is it sweet?
Yeah, it's sweet.
It's sweet.
Yes, yes.
But red bean in a sweet?
Yeah, they prepare it in a different way.
Ava modak.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can just look at that expression. Authentic review nodili ellaru nodiri.
Actually, doesn't seem like it is like cooked raw.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can, but it's nice. I like the filling, but not the outer part.
Okay. I'm going to tear it with my hand. Okay? Okay, she's going to do that. So the texture, not everyone may like, I guess,
like it, yeah.
because it's gooey. kind of.
Japanese modak.
Yeah, but it's nice.
On top, you feel like it's a little raw.
No, I've eaten mochi before.
It's the same.
Yeah, it just tastes like this only.
I like this inside
filling is
stuffing.
very
Filling
nice,
is
yeah.
very nice.
It's like sweet rajma.
Yeah.
Fresh fruit slice of cake, and the seasonal fruit is right now strawberry.
Strawberry.
So we're going to have a try.
Good.
It's not too sweet, and it's not overwhelmingly creamy also. I like it. For people who expect very much sweet, they might not like this dessert. I like the
Perfect.
balance.
Yes.
No? And the
Spongy.
Spongy.
And when you see the strawberry, you feel like it's like more sweet, but it's not.
Not, yeah. It's like a mix of sweet and sour.
Sago, yes.
But yeah,
It's balanced. Good.
nice,
Ah,
right?
The
So-
one to try.
So, can we give a rating and see what, according to each of us, of course,
Yeah. Okay.
how would you rate everything on the table?
Out of 5?
Out of 10?
10? Okay.
Yeah.
I would rate this as 9
Okay.
because I like this.
Okay.
And this I will give 7.
7? Okay.
And this, of course, it's there traditional. Yeah, but I like the stuffing. I would give it 7 for this. I didn't taste that. Yeah. This
I think we should have another sip and see.
sip and see. Yeah.
Yeah. After mixing and after the ice has settled a bit, now I like this drink because it's not
You're
too,
getting matcha flavor now.
yes.
Yes.
Now I'm getting much better matcha flavor, and I'm also getting we drank the sugar syrup directly. So previously it was little too sweet,
Too sweet.
but now it's perfect. It's different and nice. What about you?
You
will try?
feel it's different now.
Yeah, you should also try it.
Actually, sweetness is
Reduce.
so much reduced
Yeah.
because of the ice melt.
So guys, we are done with eating here at Ikoi, and just to let you guys know, it's on the heavier side of pocket, and the average price of the items here is at least 300 to 350 plus. Okay, with the portion size being small. But that being said, it's if you want a authentic Japanese experience, this is a good one, and one-time shot. Yeah, what would you say?
One time, yes.
One time
you
you
can
can
give a
try.
try. Yes.
But if you're a big time Japanese food fan, then you can come regularly, but it's still heavier on the pocket.
Yes, and please do subscribe Flavors Far Out.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you.